Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AccuRanker reports for keyword monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AccuRanker website. Log in to your AccuRanker account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Locate the Reports section in the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Reports to access the available report options. You will see a list of different report types. Select the report you wish to download for keyword monitoring. If you are looking for a specific keyword report, use the filters to narrow down your options. Choose the date range for the report to ensure you are viewing the correct data. After selecting the appropriate report and date range, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to initiate the report download. You may be prompted to select a file format, such as CSV or PDF. Choose your preferred format and confirm your selection. The report will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to review your keyword monitoring data. You are now ready to analyze your downloaded report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.